In today's product teams, designers often carry the burden of defining what to build. But when that's unclear, progress stalls. Engineers can't move forward, PMs get frustrated, and designers feel the pressure of being the bottleneck. The result? Slow alignment, missed opportunities, and a process that feels built for individuals, not teams. But design's ultimate goal isn't just defining what to build, it's creating fast alignment across the team. Miro Design Workshops create an inclusive space where collaboration thrives, alignment comes faster, and decisions are grounded in real customer insight. Let's jump in. When kicking off a new project, it's important to first break the ice so that everyone gets comfortable sharing their ideas on the canvas. Everyone, from PMs to engineers and marketers, are engaged and actively participating. The energy shifts, excitement builds, and all barriers to creative collaboration dissolve. Fired up, the team can flow right into identifying the most high-impact opportunities surfaced directly from Miro insights, giving them the proper foundation to start generating ideas. The team is blazing forward, and the board quickly starts to fill up with ideas. But even the best teams hit a wall sometimes. Here, AI can help generate fresh perspectives instantly and break through any creative blocks. Dot votes enable a quick, democratic, and visual prioritization, giving everyone an equal voice in surfacing the top ideas. With AI flows, top-voted ideas can easily be combined with select inspiration, solution sketches, and seamlessly transformed from messy inputs to vibrant, editable prototypes right on the canvas. Instead of only designers being able to bring ideas to life, every participant can now quickly turn their ideas into interactive visuals with Miro prototypes. This completely democratizes the early design process and ensures alignment isn't dictated by skill gaps. Traditional design critique sessions can feel intimidating. They often live in the designer's space, and cross-functional teammates feel like outsiders. Feedback can feel awkward, surface level, or worse, completely withheld. A design crit sidekick, trained on company design guidelines, can warm things up with the first actionable, unbiased input. By offering the first points of feedback, our sidekick helped create a neutral territory where all participants can feel safe to build on that initial input and start to actively share their own thoughts. Design reviews either accelerate momentum or drain it. The objective isn't to present, it's to secure a confident decision. In Miro, reviews become two-way working sessions. Stakeholders can interact with the work directly in the presentation, give in-context feedback, and capture decisions where the work lives. Outcomes are now explicit, next steps are owned, and handoff is immediate. Finally, reviews are engaging, participatory, and focused on alignment. Feeling nervous before the presentation? Call on the presentation coach sidekick to run a safe rapid review beforehand, building up your confidence and surfacing blind spots before the real thing. Ultimately, Miro Design Workshops shift the role of design from a gatekeeper of deliverables to a catalyst for inclusivity and alignment. That's how Miro Design Workshops help teams discover and build the right thing as part of our end-to-end product acceleration solution. We can't wait to show you how this can work for your teams.